Okay guys, we see questions number 3. So number 3, we have y prime equal to xy squared plus x3 plus y3 divided by xy squared. Okay, so y prime can be rewrite x dy dx, and then we have xy divided by xy, so here we have 1, and then we have x squared divided by y squared, and then plus, so we have y divided by x. Okay, now we let v excuse me, let v equal to y divided by x, substitute into these equations over here, then we have dy dx, then we have 1 plus 1 over v squared plus v. Okay, so the function of v is equal to 1 plus 1 over v squared plus v. Now using the general formula here, using this general formula, then we calculate what is the integrations. So we are going to use the general formula. So general formula is 1 divided by the f of b. Here we have 1 plus 1 over v squared plus v minus v dv, right? So this is equivalent to 1 over 1 plus 1 over v squared dv. Okay, now we can rewrite this in terms of here we have 1 divided by v squared plus 1 over v squared dv, so we can move the v squared on top, so we have a v squared divided by v squared plus 1 dv. Okay, and then this can be again simplified to 1 minus 1 over v squared plus 1 dv. So integrations of 1 of dv, then you get v, and then 1 over v squared plus v is equivalent to arctangent v. Okay, so this is the left hand side integration result. So we are going to equal this left hand side integration result with our right hand side integration result over here. So our general solution is equal to v minus arctangent v equal to the natural log of x plus c. Okay, now we replace v with y divided by x, so we have y divided by x, so this will be our general solutions.